I am manifesting peace. I am creating my reality through manifestation, and it is always peaceful. Every day in every way I am getting better and more at peace. I attract only peace into my life. All is well in my world. Everything happens for my highest good and leads me to peace. My thoughts create my reality, so I only think peaceful thoughts. I surround myself with people who support my quest for peace. I am grateful for the peace that surrounds me always. I forgive those who have wronged me and release them with love. I allow myself to feel peace in every situation. I am safe, I am loved, and I am at peace. No matter what happens, I always choose peace. I breathe in peace and exhale worry. My home is a peaceful oasis where I can relax and be myself. The world is a beautiful and peaceful place, and I am grateful to be alive in it. Nature is soothing and healing, and I am thankful for its beauty and peace. Every day I find at least one moment of peace to enjoy and savor. I am responsible for my own happiness and peace of mind. I release all fears and worries and replace them with peace and love. In every situation, I ask myself what the most peaceful outcome would be, and then take action accordingly. My mind is calm and at peace when I recite my affirmations each day. Each day I am filled with more and more peace as I live my life purpose. Everything that happens to me is a step closer to peace. All challenging situations are opportunities for me to learn and grow in peace. I am always open to new experiences that will bring me peace. I am a peacemaker, and I strive to create peace in every situation. I know that conflict is a part of life, but I also know that peace is possible in every situation. By staying present and mindful, I am better able to find peace in each moment. When I am feeling lost or confused, I remember that peace is always within me, waiting to be found again. By listening to my intuition, I am able to make choices that lead me towards peace. Trusting myself and my own inner knowing is the key to finding peace. I am willing to let go of anything that is no longer serving me on my quest for peace. Each day I move one step closer to the peace that I seek. The more peace I have within myself, the more peace I can bring to the world around me. Only by accepting myself fully can I find true peace. Loving myself unconditionally is the foundation of my quest for peace. By taking care of my own needs, I am better able to take care of others and create peace in the world. It is through service to others that I find the deepest sense of peace within myself. I know that peace is my birthright, and I claim it now. In every moment I am choosing peace. By being kind and compassionate to others, I create more peace in the world. Each day I visualize myself surrounded by an aura of peaceful white light. This affirmation fills me with peace. All is well in my world. As I release the need to control everything, I find more peace in my life. When I am feeling stressed or overwhelmed, I take a few deep breaths and remember that peace is always available to me. Peace is my natural state of being, and I allow myself to relax into it now. I am open to receiving guidance from my higher power about how to create more peace in my life. I am grateful for the peace that is within me and all around me. I know that no matter what happens, everything will be okay in the end. I am at peace with who I am and where I am in life. The more accepting I am, the more peaceful my life becomes. As I let go of my need to judge myself and others, I find more peace in my life. It is safe for me to experience emotions, and doing so leads me to inner peace. I am worthy of peace, and I claim it now. No matter what happens in the world, I know that peace is possible. I am a powerful creator, and I choose to create more peace in my life and in the world. My affirmations are planting seeds of peace that will blossom into a beautiful life filled with serenity and calm. Thank you for participating in these affirmations. They are making you stronger each time you recite them. You are one with the universe and with the Zenzoji community. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. It helps the channel grow and spread positivity to people around the world. Thank you.